Hi guys, what I want to show you today is something that could save you some money. With something you already got, you can use it to make your life easier. As you can see, for me, the weight isn't too much. I can handle if you're working out, it gets easier to carry this, but for steady shots, sometimes you still feel it. If you want to carry it about, then you might need something like this. This, I believe I got with my Canon C200. As you can see here, is still Canon on it. These hooks could be clamped onto each other. For this arm, you have the gaps. This one is bigger, and pass this in and over, just like that. Clamp both hooks onto each other. This into this, very easy, and this into this. So you can put this over your neck, just like that. And as you can see, I already have my arms free and my hands free. I can also support it this way on my body to have a more comfortable carry. So you can also shoot like this if you want. You can just monitor, you focus on monitoring. So it's really easy to be mobile, flexible, creative at the same time. And if you're tired, press this once, it locks, the gimbal stays on. So you can continue shooting if you want to shoot. To monitor backwards and hands free again. This time I can walk very freely. I can hold it, feel free with it, and yeah, ready to shoot just like that. Click, and I'm back on. So as you can see, very, very practical. You can pass this arm through while it's locked and carry this way. So, which is the same. You can pose it this way, and then you feel free to have your armrest this way. Another way you can carry it is also like this, like carrying back, just like that. So you just go this way, like that, and then you place it. You finish, you go back on. Yeah, so depending on what you want to use it for, you can also do some bicep training like that. Work out your biceps, yeah. Be careful not to bump your camera down. Just some fun, okay? So that's how you creatively use what you already have without spending much money on extra stuff. We know accessories for, camera gear are not that cheap. So when you start buying, costs just keep piling, okay? So yeah, be wise, save your money, and keep on creating some good stuff. Peace out.